In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a list of words alphabetically in Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing a list of names, places, or any other text, arranging your words alphabetically can help you present your information in a more structured and easy-to-follow manner. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word document where the list of words you want to sort is located. This is your starting point. If you don't have Word open yet, go ahead and do that. Once your document is open, navigate to the list of words you're aiming to organize. If your document is lengthy, you might find it helpful to use the Find feature to locate the section you need. Now, with your list in sight, it's time to select the words you want to sort. Carefully highlight this list with your cursor. Simply click and drag over the text from the beginning to the end of your list. It's important that you only select the items you wish to sort, nothing more, nothing less. Precision here will ensure that only the desired text is affected by the sorting process. After selecting your list, direct your attention to the top of the Word application window. You'll need to locate the Sort button. This button is nestled within the Home tab, specifically in the Paragraph group. Look for an icon that features an A and a Z accompanied by a downward pointing arrow. Clicking this icon will open the Sort Text window, which is essential for your next steps. Once the Sort Text window pops up, you'll see a few options. For our purpose today, focus on selecting the No Header Row option. Checking this box tells Word that your list doesn't contain header information that should be excluded from sorting. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring your list sorts correctly without repositioning important header information. Finally, after specifying the No Header Row checkbox, go ahead and click OK on the Sort Text window. Word will now process your list, arranging all selected items in neat alphabetical order. This transformation happens in an instant, leaving you with a clean and organized list. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully sorted your text and made your document that much more user-friendly. This simple yet powerful functionality in Word streamlines how information is presented, making it more digestible for anyone who reads it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Once you've mastered this skill, you'll find countless ways to apply it in your work and personal projects, making your Word documents more organized and professional. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials.